Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching part 1 of my sentence structure for ESL learners, my adult learners. Okay, so to start, we must know that every sentence has the base subject and verb. It cannot be a sentence without one subject and one verb. This is a simple sentence, John ate. Now, if I want to add a little more detail to this, I'm going to question, well, what did John eat? So this is where we add an object. Subject, verb, object. Now, like I said, the very basic sentence can have a subject and a verb, but most times our sentences have a subject, verb, and an object. Okay, John ate dinner. Okay, so we have those two base sentences common in English. This is the order structure. The last sentence I'm going to show you is giving you just one more part. Okay? And that part is the object pronoun. Okay? So we have John ate, which has got a subject and a verb. The second one, John ate dinner. That answers our question of what did he eat. The third one has John ate dinner, and then I put Jane. Okay, so subject, verb, object, object, dinner. Let's start that again. Subject, verb, object, object pronoun. Okay, but there's something that goes in between the object and the object pronoun. And in this case, we are adding the word with. Okay, 3 sentence structures that we are using, and we're basing it off the very first one, subject and verb. All 3 of these sentences have a subject and a verb because all sentences need at least these 2 things. Okay, the second and third have the object. Okay, dinner. Okay, and then the third one has Jane as the object pronoun. Okay, so we will go further into the difference between an object and an object pronoun in our future lessons, still following this pattern, and I'll go into more details. But for now, this is part 1. We will go into part 2 in my next video. Bye.